Connect to the inspiratory port. Connect water cup. Connect the T-joint to covers on the holes should be closed. Connect another water cup. Connect filter. Connect filter to inspiratory port. Connect sample tube with T-joint outlet. Connect threaded tube. Connect testing lung or patient. Connect oxygen source. Ensure oxygen source has pressure reducer. Remove sensor cover. Install oxygen sensor. Connect sensor cable. Assemble sensor cover and turn on system. Need to do function test before first use. Connect sample tube to plug. Press confirm to do ORM test. Press start to do other test. If it can pass the test, system can be used. If test failure, please contact our engineer. For the last test, need to remove sample tube from plug. Press redo to continue. Use not to select patient type. Change patient details and ventilating mode. Press it to enter treatment. Press this key to freeze display, then we can do calculation for the wheeze. Press it again to exit. Press ins hold. Ventilator will give 30 seconds impression. Press X hold. Ventilator will give 30 seconds expiration. Press them again to exit. Press extra breath. System will give an extra respiration. Press this key. System will give 100% oxygen. For 2 minutes, press again to exit. This key is for nebulizer. Press alarm silence. Alarms will be muted for 100 seconds. Press it again to cancel. Press mode settings to change ventilating mode and treatment parameters. Rotate knob to change value. Press it to confirm. In system settings, we can see general and alarm settings. We can change limit value in alarm settings. In general settings, we can change language, date, and display brightness. After finished treatment, we can press standby to hold on. or press now back to main surface. We should turn off unit in standby mode.